up, creative fam? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download any TikTok videos directly on your Android phone. I'll be showing you guys two steps on how to download TikTok videos. One with TikTok Watermark and the other one without TikTok Watermark. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Don't go anywhere. Okay guys, let's get started. Let's dive into the first phase of today's tutorial, which is how to download TikTok videos with Watermark directly to your Android phone. First thing you have to do is to open your TikTok app. When you open your TikTok app, you search and scroll for the video you want to save. Whatever video you have in mind to save, just scroll down and search for it. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using just a random video. So here, I wanted to save this one, but then I realized it has no save option on it. I skipped it. To the next one, you see that arrow sign, that share button. You click on it. Click on the share button on the right side. Then you click on save video. When you click on save video, it will be saving on its own automatically. As you can see, it's saving on its own. So when it's done saving, tap to reach 100%. The video has saved directly to your gallery. Then what you need to do is to go straight to your gallery, scroll down, remove the page, search for gallery, whatever gallery you have or photo, just click on it. Click on your gallery, click on the camera. The video you just downloaded has been automatically saved. Here I was refreshing this page for the video to come up. Now the video is here. You click on it. That's the video. The first, it has been downloaded directly to your phone, but with the watermark. As you guys can see, the watermark, TikTok watermark is visibly showing. So that's it for the first phase of this tutorial, which is downloading with Watermark. Now let's dive into the second phase of today's tutorial. That's downloading TikTok. Now let's get into today's main tutorial video. Click on your TikTok app. When you click on it, we'll make reference with this same video, okay? Click on this share button, the same share button by the right side. You click on it. Then here you click on copy link. Okay? Tap on copy link. When you tap on it, you go off TikTok completely. Go off TikTok completely. Open your browser, whatever browser you are using, click on it. Then you search for this app. We'll use this app, snaptik.app. Snaptik.app. That's the website we use to download this particular video. Snaptik.app. Whenever you wanna download TikTok video without watermark, use snaptik.app. When you type in snaptik.app, you click on search to open up the website. Okay, the website has opened. You click on paste to paste the link the video link you copied from TikTok. You click on paste and paste it directly onto this app. Click on download immediately. Here is downloading. See this, you click on download video. Click on download video to download it directly to your phone. Click on download. It's now downloading. Open the download or go straight to your gallery. That's the video you just downloaded without Watermark. Remember, without TikTok Watermark. This just look like you created the video on your own.
That's how to
It has no
download
watermark.
TikTok videos on your smartphone with or without watermark. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more social media tips like this
If you have any
of any
question,
kind. Please endeavor to use the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.